Presenting the Ford 2001 Explorer Sport Trac Base 4-door Crew Cab SB2WD. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front air conditioning, center console, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel, axle ratio, 3.73, power brakes, cassette, clock and dash CD, single disc. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.